Most people underestimate the complexity it takes to get you insured for a life insurance policy. Not to mention if you're a pilot, and that's another layer of complexity that has to go into the what they call the underwriting process, the approval process at the insurance company. So I have a whole binder here that I look through for different types of pilots, different types of health conditions. And so when you go to get a quote, it's not just going online to Select Quote and to Ladder and Policy Genius and getting a quote, because those are going to give you the very, very cheapest rate possible. But then you factor in your flying and what kind of flying and what kind of pilot and how many hours you're flying and what kind of health conditions you have. We have pilots that are in their 40s, 50s, 60s, 70s with very complex aviation careers, very complex health issues, very complex background issues. We have prostate history. We have pacemakers. We have criminal history. We have medical conditions, heart attacks. And those are all just the health side. Then we have pilots that are cargo pilots, crop duster pilots, aerobatic type pilots, charter, and they're going to Mexico, ferry pilots. It goes on and on and on. So it gets very complex, and the quote process is very intricate and very delicate. So that's why when you ask for a quote from us, it takes a little bit of time to get you a good idea of what that price is going to be. But ultimately, it has to go to the insurance company, and you have to go through what they call underwriting and get approved for that. And hopefully the quote that I gave you matches the approval that the insurance company gives. And sometimes they find some stuff that I didn't find out at the beginning, or it popped up. Maybe it's a driving record that you had a bunch of speeding tickets or something. But they look at all that because they're evaluating the risk, and they're not trying to get away with something or screw you out of money. They're just trying to evaluate their risk. And my job is to help you get the best policy at the best price, the best coverage for what you're trying to accomplish, to get your family covered. And ultimately, that's the goal, is to get your family covered. So if something happens to you, God forbid, they're taken care of and you don't have to worry about that. So I hope that helps clear that idea that a policy is super easy to get. It's actually not. But if you work with us, it's a lot easier, and we know what we're doing, and we can plug you in to get the right policy.